This method applies to all tubeless tires, automotive, trailer, utility. For highway applications, it's recommended to consider this type of patch temporary. For this video, we're using the Victor tubeless tire repair kit. However, there are several similar kits on the market. Check the description for links. The kit consists of a rasp tool, and that will clean out and bore the hole for the plug to go in. Now this has a sort of a sticky adhesive glue type coating or treatment, and then there's the needle that you use to insert the patch. Some kits may also include an additional adhesive which would require an additional step. Check your instructions for your kit. If you need to locate the hole, then the first step is to take a spray bottle with soapy water, spray the sidewalls, spray around the rim. You're looking for bubbles. This looks pretty clean, so then you would check on the other side. However, in my case, I can actually already hear it. So you can see it right there. So now with the rasp tool, you're going to bore a hole that your plugs will go in. And it's just up and down, and you're done. So now you can see with this needle tool, there's a little opening at the end, and that's what will release when you pull it out, and the plug will be released, remain in your tire. This is the tricky bit. So I'm just going to try to flatten this end. Once it's started, use some pliers to work it through. It's going to go halfway. Now we insert it in. We're going to insert it about 2/3 of the way. And now we pull it out without wiggling it. Okay, so that's in. In this stage, some kits may have an additional glue, either that you add to the plug or that you add around the edges afterwards. Again, read the instructions on your kit. Okay, it's inflated, looks good. No bubbling. Now, just cut it off with some scissors. That's okay if there's a little bit there. If this is on an automotive tire, then the road will wear it off. It's no problem. I hope that was helpful. If you'd like to support the channel and make available more clear, short, and concise videos, please like and subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.